Good morning, guys! It's our day 2 or day 1 here in Thailand. And now we're gonna go to Baiyoke Sky to have our breakfast at the 81st floor. So, ito yung road galing sa Science. And may graduation na yun. May school pala malapit dito. Hi, baby! Baby, where are you? Here at Thailand. Yan. Lakad tayo pupunta sa Baiyoke Sky. Okay, so nakakuha na kami ng food. Kami ni Diana. Hi, baby. What's your food? Pancake, bacon, and what's this, baby? Bread with orange juice. And I have omelette with bacon and scrambled egg. Let's eat. Sarap. Basta egg, masarap. Sarap. Sarap. Bacon. Yan sa'yo, habi. Yan.
Hindi ko alam. Curry, tapos kanin.
Ano to?
Oden.
Oden? Hap? Sabi, are you enjoying? You can get more bacon there, oh. Hey, kuya. Ayan, yung egg station. And bacon station. Buti dito kami na peso sa may western part. Mga western food. Yummy! May kinuha si Habi. Hindi ko na kung ano ito. Ayan siya. Ayan. Parang cup na nasa banana leaf. And ayan, parang ganyan. Ano kaya to? Ano kaya yung purple? Hindi ko rin alam eh. Parang ginataan. Ginataan in a cup. Hindi ko na alam kung yung purple. Baka ube. Or kamote. Ayan o. Happy, ma'am. Only bacon ba? Only bacon. Second round ni baby ng bacon. Wow. Ano yan, Habi? Satay? Sarap. May satay. Sige, Habi. No, baby. Happy? Happy? Cappuccino. And
Milk tea.
hot milk tea. You want cold milk tea, baby? There's cold one. And ito, yung sikat daw dito. Fried dough with pandan, cream sauce. Patungko. Patungko yung name niya. And kumuha din ng siomai. Shrimp siomai. So, let's try all of them. First is the patungko. Okay, let's try. Pandan siya. Hap. Coconut milk yung base niya. Masarap. Hap. Masarap siya. Nice da. Shrimp siomai. Hap din. Kaya parang paning extender siya. Hap. Hot milk tea. Baka chatram yun to. Ayan, baka chatram yun to. Sorry. Meron ding cold. Sarap. Hap.
So hot here.
Maybe sarap ng milk tea. Legit. French fries, baby. Hindi masarap yung French fries. Ano na siya? Alamigan na. Okay, so may kinuha na naman ako. Chicken satay. Ang sarap niya. Ahap. Manamis-namis siya. Chop siya. And pork congee. Hap.
Hindi ko lang natin gusto.
Hindi ito kasi yun.
Marami.
It's for clothes actually.
Kaya nga
Sabi yung mga choices dito. And meron silang mixed fruit na shake.
Do you know I go to the top 8 times? 10 times?
Yummy.
Guys, let's start here sa salad. Tapos meron tayong vegan option. This is the vegan option. So mga curry, rice, the veggies. So ito mga may grilled part. Meron dito pang for shabu-shabu. Pwede mo siyang paluto dito. Ito rin. So, rice again. And this one is the bacon station. Ano, ang daming bacon. So, pwede ka magpa-fry ng egg. And you can choose sa egg mo. Or you can have it yung soft boiled lang. This is the egg station. This is the grilling station. Yeah, masarap yan. Grilled pork. Ito may congee tayo. And soup. Let's see the soup. Ito, masarap. Masarap tong pandan custard. Natikman na namin. Sarap niya. Matamis. Ito yung different mga fried dough steak. Pancake. My cold milk tea and then fruit blended. Guava blend, mixed fruit, dragon fruit blends. Here we have fresh fruits. Ito, soft-boiled egg again. Ito yung mga cereals. Yan, the cereals. Pancakes. We even have French toast. And then, for the cold cuts, meron tayong chicken ham, cheddar cheese. This one is mixed fruit. And the bread station. Juices. Now we have here chai, tea, and coffee.
Tingin naman tayo sa labas. Now that we're finished eating breakfast, tingin naman tayo sa labas. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit ako nag-book dito sa Baiyoke Sky ng breakfast. Kasi gusto ko makita yung view sa taas. Yan. Wow! Wow! It's so good! Para ka na rin King Power manahak nun. So, hindi mo kailangan mag-spend na malaking money para sa King Power manahak nun. Kasi pwede ka na lang mag-book ng buffet dito sa Baiyoke Sky. Wow, ang ganda. May glass siya. Tapos pwede kang mag-breakfast dito. So, pwede naman. Kaso maaraw eh. So, doon kami sa loob. Yan, ganda. Grabe araw. Wow. So cute. So beautiful.